There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2019 Alfa Romeo Stelvio TI Sport in Volcano Black. With automatic high-beam headlamp control, infrared windshield, 20-inch sport aluminum wheels, gloss yellow brake calipers with black script, dark badging, gloss black shark fin antenna, sport leather seats, sport leather wrapped steering wheel, leather dash and upper doors with accent stitching, 8.8-inch display, navigation, rear backup camera, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, Alpha DNA drive mode system, dual pane sunroof, power liftgate with remote liftgate release, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5435.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.